Birds, Aves, are a group of endothermic vertebrates, characterized by feathers, toothless beaked jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. Birds live worldwide and range in size from the 5 centimeters 2 in B hummingbird to the 2.75 meters 9 feet ostrich. They rank as the world's most numerically successful class of tetrapods, with approximately 10,000 living species, more than half of these being passerines, sometimes known as perching birds. Birds have wings which are more or less developed depending on the species. The only known groups without wings are the extinct moa and elephant birds. Wings, which evolved from forelimbs, gave birds the ability to fly, although further evolution has led to the loss of flight in flightless birds, including ratites, penguins, and diverse endemic island species of birds. The digestive and respiratory systems of birds are also uniquely adapted for flight. Some bird species of aquatic environments, particularly seabirds and some waterbirds, have further evolved for swimming. Reverse genetic engineering in the fossil record both demonstrate that birds are modern feathered dinosaurs, having evolved from earlier feathered dinosaurs within the theropod group, which are traditionally placed within the Saurochian dinosaurs. The closest living relatives of bird are the crocodilians, primitive bird-like dinosaurs that lie outside class Aves proper. In the broader group Avioli, have been found dating back to the mid-Jurassic period, around 170 million years ago. Many of these early stem birds, such as Archaeopteryx, were not yet capable of fully powered flight, and many retained primitive characteristics like toothy jaws in place of beaks and long bony tails. DNA-based evidence finds that birds diversified dramatically around the time of the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event 66 million years ago, which killed off the pterosaurs and all the non-avian dinosaur lineages. But birds, especially those in the southern continents, survived this event and then migrated to other parts of the world while diversifying during periods of global cooling. This makes them the sole surviving dinosaurs according to cladistics. Some birds, especially corvids and parrots, are among the most intelligent animals. Several bird species make and use tools, and many social species pass on knowledge across generations, which is considered a form of culture. Many species annually migrate great distances. Birds are social, communicating with visual signals, calls, and bird songs, and participating in such social behaviors as cooperative breeding and hunting, flocking, and mobbing of predators. The vast majority of bird species are socially monogamous, referring to social living arrangement, distinct from genetic monogamy, usually for one breeding season at a time, sometimes for years, but rarely for life. Other species have breeding systems that are polygynous, arrangement of one male with many females, or, rarely, polyandrous, arrangement of one female with many males. Birds produce offspring by laying eggs which are fertilized through sexual reproduction. They are usually laid in a nest and incubated by the parents. Most birds have an extended period of parental care after hatching. Some birds, such as hens, lay eggs even when not fertilized, though unfertilized eggs do not produce offspring. Many species of birds are economically important as food for human consumption and raw material in manufacturing, with domesticated and undomesticated birds, poultry and game, being important sources of eggs, meat, and feathers. Songbirds, parrots, and other species are popular as pets. Guano, bird excrement, is harvested for use as a fertilizer. Birds prominently figure throughout human culture. About 120 to 130 species have become extinct due to human activity since the 17th century, and hundreds more before then. Human activity threatens about 1,200 bird species with extinction. though efforts are underway to protect them. Recreational birdwatching is an important part of the ecotourism industry.